ahead.
How about almost BBEG?
BBEG
Yeah,
on the stream. Hold on.
I'm on the stream.
I started the stream again.
I'm on Twitter.
You're on Twitter?
I'm on Twitter.
Bro, let me open my phone. What the fuck? Poopy? Poopy?
Yeah, that's right. Poopy.
Okay, so the thing are the AI generated the big hairballs. It's not as exciting. It's just what it is.
How long did it take it to
Okay, how about
Maybe a
big
minute.
hairy balls in space?
No. You gotta think about stuff that doesn't exist.
Yeah. Have you ever seen a big hairy ball in space?
In space. Okay.
space?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess
Okay.
but I was about to say something about it's probably as strong as a bullet.
Huh?
Because you know how even the tiniest thing in space can.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna move to the main screen now.
Wait, we're live?
Yes.
Yeah, we are.
Hello.
And we've been talking about balls?
Yeah,
Coffee
correct.
balls, but you know.
Is this her?
What? Yeah. Yes. I think.
It's like that PopCap game.
Popcat?
PopCap.
Oh, PopCap. Which PopCap game?
The one where it's like Candy Crush, but with big furry balls.
Oh, fuzz. What was the name for that? Furzels. Puzzle. Wait, let me look it up.
It's a CH,
App
if I remember.
With furry
These two
balls.
have been talking about
Chuzzle.
balls. Oh, Chuzzle? Oh, that game.
Yeah.
On this AI generating website, and she typed. What did you type?
Big hairy ball.
In space.
Hair ball in space?
Big hairy
Sure.
balls in space.
Big hairy ball
Yeah.
in space. Okay.
I wanna good parrot test. No.
No.
I'm not gonna make that joke early on in the stream. We're only 3 minutes in.
Okay, I think our audio is good. I have like
Perfect.
because you know,
Later.
I'm wearing the headset from downstairs, and then
Nice.
I'm wearing my earphone.
Ah.
But the earphone just one side. It's like the earphone is connected to my phone that has my Twitch open. All right.
I thought you were gonna say something else, and I was bracing myself for something.
Why? What do you mean?
I don't know.
Big hairball. Isn't it the purple place or something?
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
Is that not the PopCap game?
What?
The PopCap game from earlier.
Chuzzle?
The thingy.
Chuzzle.
Chuzzle.
Yeah. It sounds
It's called a
like
chuzzle.
I know.
Do you want to see what the chuzzle looks like?
I thought you were gonna say something else.
Why are you guys taking every single word I say?
No, but like, look at the chuzzle. Look at it. Oh my god, wait, the big hairy balls in space, loaded.
Show us.
They're big hairy balls in space.
Planets. They look like they could be planets. Like in a dimension where solid solid objects have fur or hair.
I
With like
remember
hair all
Chuzzle
over.
being more 3D than this.
Look up
No, that's
place. I feel like I'm remembering
haven't
Verbal place wrong.
purple place look similar.
Yeah. That's the furry ball game that I know.
Raph said,
Hi, Ra.
Ah.
Soon we're gonna hear him say "ow" or something. No.
all our viewers, except me, say Auga. Yeah.
Type Auga right now.
Again, I'm not looking at the stream. I am on Twitter.
I'm just here for the laugh.
Yeah.
Also, I apologize because I still have a cough.
Yep, those are in fact big hairy balls in space.
Yeah,
What else?
they are.
Do you know what tribalism is, Jay?
What?
Tribalism?
Is this something we're allowed to talk about on stream?
No, probably not.
Okay, we shouldn't then.
I can say the word.
Wait, let me look it up, actually.
Bad idea for your search engine. I don't even know what
Oh! I know the other word for this!
Oh.
Can you type it down? Because I have no
The one that ends
context.
with Bing?
Yeah, yeah.
Robbing?
Isn't this just the same as rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
But it's like the,
Krish wants to know what the word is.
No.
what the word is?
Can you type it
No.
down on the back room?
The back room?
The employee lounge? Because I don't know what you're talking about.
Here, I don't want to crash the stream again if I move around.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I'm sorry, Krish. You can't.
You can.
It's a girl thing.
It's a girl thing. I guess.
You're not wrong.
I guess.
The
Yeah,
latency
it's
isn't
a girl thing.
half bad.
It's all good. Company policy. Yeah, the girl company. Absolutely.
Yeah, yes. Sorry, man. It's
It's the
talking about
SSG code, sorry.
Yeah.
it's like talking about periods. It's just a funny haha girl thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, all of us here are that.
You know, waves hand.
Fruity? Yes, I agree.
If you were a fruit, what would you be?
The COVID fruit.
A what? A COVID fruit?
The what?
Yeah. The COVID fruit.
The COVID fruit? Why?
Yeah.
So cool.
You'll have to guess what the COVID fruit is.
There's a
Oh.
COVID?
I know what the COVID fruit is. It took me a moment.
Good,
I hate that it took me up.
good, good.
Do I say it out loud? What I think it is?
Yeah.
Is it a durian?
No. It's much
We're almost there.
it's much smaller and less smellier. But that's why it says hairy.
Not a
I
pomegranate.
I don't know the name of the fruit. It's not a dragon fruit, is it?
No.
No, it's not.
The COVID fruit.
I don't
The COVID
I don't know
fruit.
my fruits. Right. Oh my god. Wait, I'm
Yeah,
so
it's
confused.
rambutan. Correct. You get a prize, Raph.
Rambutan. As a prize, you get nothing. I'm kidding.
Yeah, you get my
Get
appreciation.
you get a free pass on my Minecraft server.
Fair. That's a
I
fair
want you guys
deal.
to check the back room. So bad.
What did you type? Oh, what did you what did you
Oh
search?
my god.
It's there. It's there.
Chode Pokemon.
You
it's
did you
it's on the
really?
top left.
Can you search that now?
Chode
I don't
Pokemon?
Yeah. I want that
like on
one.
the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
John's still sending the AI generated search terms.
I think it's funny. Speaking of John, life update. I'm gonna get a mic soon, so that's fun.
Yeah.
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 Shout out to Mark. Thank you, Mark.
Shout out. Oh yeah, you guys should send the link on the D&D.
The what?
The
One
D&D.
of you do it. I'm doing something.
No, what link do you want me to send?
The stream. I wanna bully them in stream again. Can
Oh,
Hello, Cyronix. Cyronix.
is it Cyronic? I don't know.
You know,
I was gonna say
Hello.
if I didn't know any better, I would have read it like the Genshin Cryo.
yeah, I was gonna say, and then it reminded me of bad 2012
What?
YouTubers.
No, no, no. Forbidden, forbidden names.
Yeah, forbidden name. That's why I
What
stopped myself.
YouTuber? Who are we talking about?
Cairo or Cairo. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the clarification.
What are we talking about?
On the stream
Which
chat.
YouTuber? No.
No.
Oh.
You know,
Yeah, you know.
you know.
Oh!
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, correct, Krish.
Oh. You know, I was really sad when I found that out because I was a big fan as a kid.
Too bad you're. No.
I mean, I eventually outgrew it because it gets. I have a very short attention span. If that was something not a lot of you, I guess, could figure out, given I
Oh,
can
sorry,
only
Krish.
talk.
I wasn't a YouTube tween.
What? Oh my god. You know, this ant is so fat. Like, I saw the reference photo. It's so fat.
Can you show us?
On
Or
it.
no?
I think it can. It's just some random cat in Final Fantasy 14 that everyone can probably have.
Oh, okay. I thought it was a real cat.
I'm just
Like
surprised that you don't play the game.
I would, but I don't like playing with friends.
But you want a Minecraft server? Okay.
Because I don't have to like. It's because it's me inviting people.
Okay. Oh, what did I do for fun as a tween? I went outside and
That's
I
fun
touched
while they're
grass.
playing.
Alright. Damn, alright.
Oh, hold
Who
on.
enjoys
I'm
life as a
mute.
tween? Damn.
Enjoys life as a tween. Oh no, where's the cat?
When I was a tween, I was watching anime and I was in denial that I was a weeb.
Do you accept it now?
Um, I mean, I guess. I'm not like a weeb anymore. I barely watch anime, but like, I like to call myself a weeb sometimes. I think it's funny.
Fair.
And like, after meeting you, yeah, I'm definitely not a weeb.
I'm I'm the what do you call it? The the measurement of how weak you are.
Yeah, you're like a weeb, man. I don't know. maybe when I was younger, I really didn't want to associate myself as a weeb because, when it was our time to be tweens, when the years of uh being a weeb wasn't a funny haha term. It was a genuinely upsetting term.
It was a derogatory term to use on people.
Yeah. But nowadays it's just like, haha, lol, I'm a weeb, and nobody really bats an eye, and that's fine.
True.
It's better that way.
God, it's so fast. I sent the cat on the back room.
I think it's funny if you call yourself a weeb. It's self acceptance, And it's better to pose as a weeb than to just actually be a weeb, but then say, this is so controversial in the worst way possible. It's better to call yourself a weeb than to be one of those people who are like, I'm not a weeb. It's called being an otaku
Aku.
at this day and age. You know what I mean?
Ah, god damn it! Suyamino is on a live
What?
stream. I hate it here.
What happened?
Shu just went on a live stream. Like he hopped in on someone's live stream. And now I'm also live.
Damn.
When I was a
I
tween,
mean,
I was trying to figure out how to play basketball because everyone in my class was older than me. That was from Krish. Honestly, you're a Filipino, you don't need to learn how to play basketball, you just know. In your blood.
it's just kind of like, yeah, it's second nature to you.
Oh, hello. Metal Gamer 01. Thank you for the follow. Yay! Woo! Look,
Thank you.
please watch me as I draw this cat. That's
No,
really
but it's different. If
what-
you're in an all-girls school, you have to know how to play volleyball,
true.
not basketball.
I got forced. Did you ever get forced into playing volleyball for intramural?
No,
Really? Damn. Wish that were
because
me.
I wasn't. No, because I wasn't
Hello,
good
I'm
at.
back.
Come back.
Hello.
What
Speaking of someone
happened?
who actually does sports, didn't you play volleyball when you were a tween?
I played a lot of sports. I touched grass.
I get it. I don't touch grass. I get it.
I mean, okay. Compared to the both of you, I didn't do sports at all as a kid. Unless you count badminton, which I've heard people say it's the sport for lazy people,
No.
which is, I don't know. I like to think badminton helped me jump higher,
Jump higher.
literally.
Sorry, I just saw the
I'm
cat.
Yes. So fat.
Fat.
Way.
alright. I guess fucking fun fact for people who probably don't know. I'm 4'11". I'm not
You
tall.
say it again because you became robotic.
Yeah, you did.
I'm small.
No, the number. Say the number, John.
I don't
6'9".
repeat myself.
6'9".
It's the sixth number.
Sex number? Oh yeah, yesterday was the sex day. I probably shouldn't be saying
What?
word.
Oh, that took me too long. I don't organize dates the American way.
Oh my god. Your jump height is 4'10". No. What the fuck? Why is you suddenly Hinata Shoyo? You're not even 4'10". You're 4'11".
Yeah.
Give your
Shut up!
Why do
Why
you
did you say that?
Why do you put yourself down, Queen?
Don't put yourself down. Uh,
I hate you guys.
you know, I did watch the new Adam Sandler movie though, Hustle 910. I've never watched Hustle, but I just love
Me neither.
Sandal.
That should be a brand name.
Adam.
Adam Sandals.
Yeah,
We keep telling ourselves we were gonna watch and
everything.
everything everywhere all at once, but we keep not watching it.
I'm busy tomorrow. I'm sorry.
I'll probably do the commission the whole day tomorrow. Car. Yeah, it's not a car. Cat.
Is it Heimerdinger?
What? Heimerdinger?
The emote.
I don't know.
Okay, it is.
Too tired for most of the day for sports. You know what? Same.
Yeah, who has time for sports when you have back pain?
True.
That's true.
Am I right, Fiona?
Yeah. I played sports once, and then I never touched it again.
The S in spine for Fiona means scoliosis.
The S in spine stands for snake. Back.
Which is my back.
You know, I don't know why I tortured myself with this one.
Why? It looks good.
Who's this? Oh, Cyro. Thank you for the follow, Cyro.
Thank you.
'Cause
Pog.
This one
Yay!
animated.
Thank you for the follow.
Like for the fun.
Okay, good night. Are
Okay.
you going to bed?
Humor.
Good night.
Good night, humor.
Good night. Sweet dreams. Hope to see you again soon. I mean, also IRL, but also in the stream, I guess.
Alright. Going this in. What are we talking about? Right,
I
sports.
don't know. See? This is why we're called Future Train.
Sports. We were talking about sports. Juicy Train, serving your content cravings since 2021.
No. I want you to do it.
Objectively, this is gonna be one of our worst streams because we didn't think about going into this. We didn't think, period.
Yeah, we're just
We
like,
don't think.
you want to stream later?
And that's a fact.
Ball magnet, ha ha ha. What?
Ball? I'm just a dog. I'm sorry.
Okay, so you guys asked me to look for the chode thing, right?
Road?
Yeah.
Oh, I know what you mean by ball magnet now. Why must you remind me of that? Because when we are their class in PE back in the uni school, we played volleyball and I was trying to stand as far away as I could, but somehow the ball kept landing on my face.
I think that's just an experience overall.
Why
Like,
is it
it's
green?
gonna happen to you at some point in your life, you know?
Why is it
When
green?
I was in high
What?
school, that happened to me pretty often. I think I got hit in the face with a basketball, a volleyball, another basketball. It's better to get hit in the face by a volleyball than a basketball, in my opinion.
I mean, true, but like, I had my glasses on. It
I
all
ran into a pole.
That's a different story altogether.
In PE class, I ran into a pole and I got kicked in the face. And that's just in college.
Darling, that's a different story altogether. Because that's not the ball's fault anymore, that's your fault.
Damn.
Damn, okay, so I just walked into a foot, I guess.
Tatsu. Hello.
You have 4 eyes already and you walk into the pole.
No,
I
Tat-
ran.
that's not what. That's not what being a four eyes entails. Being a four eyes means your two original eyes were so bad you needed another pair.
Yeah, I'm not a blue eyes white jacket.
Yeah, but also now you have another pair, and you still didn't see the pole coming.
Yeah, but
Sorry.
not like a
I'm sorry, I guess. I'm sorry.
I say also as a glasses wearer who's wearing her glasses right now because if I don't wear my glasses on the stream, I'm gonna be squinting the entire fucking time.
damn. Why are you so proud? One the lonely. They just chose to walk into the pool in their own will. Hello, this is who I think it is.
Jay and the pole had a connection that day. Who am
Yeah,
I to deny it?
it was a.
What was it? What was it? Was it gravity?
It was love at first sight.
Because it.
I'm sorry that I can never be the pole, I guess.
Yeah, you're not like 12 feet tall.
Well,
Oh,
That's for
what?
sure.
okay.
But you've
Now
never
you're
been
making
on
it
our team.
personal.
Welcome, hi.
I probably stepped on a little bit with that comment.
What? Love at first sight? The love at first sight comment? Are you
No, I
really
called the
fucking?
pole 12 feet tall.
Why are you beefing with a pole?
I'm sorry I can't be her. I'm sorry I'm fucking tiny.
Why are you beefing with a pole, bro? What the fuck?
Yeah, beef with a korfball pole, sure.
Korfball. I can't. Uh,
Yeah, you
I
can't compete.
I can't compete with that.
Yeah, for those who don't know, korfball, KORF. That's a real thing, and I hate it.
Is that like a sport?
How does
It's like if you mix basketball and handball.
Oh. Nani is
what's
this?
handball?
The face.
Yeah,
Doing a
I mean,
DJing.
the face isn't there yet, but you'll see it.
I hid it because I needed to,
Yeah,
I don't know.
korfball. Hate it.
Is running away from your feelings when you were a tween considered a sport?
It's a marathon, really.
And I guess I was a marathon runner.
damn.
Stop it.
I feel like I've told this story over and over again. It happened when I was 13. Technically not a tween, but still in that whole what am I phase. I said this story over and over again, but a guy once stood me up. Well, he didn't stood me up, but like he canceled the day before our date because he told me that, oh, I'm so sorry. My friends said they wanted to go out, so I have to prioritize them. We should have planned better.
Damn.
And
Damn.
I cried. I felt I cried and I felt so ugly. And then after that, I realized, why should I cry over some guy who, you know, I'm not saying anything, but like, I've checked his profile and he still looks the same from the time I met him. So,
Looks like what? Huh? Oh. Did I?
I can't drop names because it's a little too obvious if I do, but his name is funny.
Do you want me to say which franchise it was from?
Yes.
Okay. His name is from Star Wars. Which trilogy? You'll have to find out for yourself. Obviously, it's not gonna be the third one, because that would be bad.
Well, continue. I'm sorry.
But yeah, that was the first and only time I let a man upset me. I
Are you
think.
sure? What about the
Romantic wise, it's the first time I let a man upset me romantic wise.
okay?
Because men could breathe and I could already be irritated with them.
Damn. Alright.
Not you, Krish.
You can't wait in 30 years. We'll have children named Kylo.
Well, I mean, there probably are already kids named Kylo.
That's true.
Would they get the name Kylo?
Kyle is already bad.
What do you have against Kyle?
I don't know. It just sounds like a name not for adult men.
Imagine meeting like
I'm
a big
I
his
I
name is
know
Kylo.
someone named Kyle.
Yeah. Exactly.
I
I
know
just
someone named
envision
Kyle.
only children being named Kyle.
Once you, like, if you're named Kyle, once you turn 18, change your name.
Yeah, change your name. Sorry.
Damn, tell me you don't know anyone named Kyle without telling me you don't know
We
anyone
had
named Kyle.
I do know people named Kyle, excuse you. They just don't use that name.
According to Google, there are 67 children named Kylo in 2019. We need 2 more.
Nice.
Two more.